Hey, good morning, Panthers. Good morning, Poundhouse. Okay, guys, so this is what it is, eh? Let me just say this again. I told you the other day that there is a book that I've done for UK Foot9, but I decided to mix UK Foot9 and Betway on the same book so that it will make it easy for you guys to understand. Because I know some people, they still not understanding how to create codes, how to pay, how to break, how to do that. It's very important. You can never skip that stage. It's like school. When you skip grade 1, when you get to grade 3, there's something that you're going to miss. Like, they'll ask you just the vowels, like A, B, C, let me say the alphabets. Then you don't know because you have never done it in grade 1. So it's always important for us guys to not skip each and every stage of whatever you are doing in life. It can be driving lessons, you can't skip the learner's license. It can be school, you can skip some other grades. It can be, just cooking. There's a stage that if you skip that stage, they'll ask you, how did you make this dough to make the pizza? You understand? So even in gambling, it's like that. So you don't have to skip. It's very important for you to get the book. Buy the book and have some knowledge. Because you see now, this is an advanced book now. It needs someone who's really knows, like who knows the first one. So some people, what they do, they just get all the books and then take their time to, which is the best. And there's always a discount if you get more books. It can't cost you that much. Understand, the book is in PDF form. You can buy it even in America. If you're in Poland, you can buy it. In South Africa, you can buy it. In Namibia, you can buy it. Because it's something online. You don't have to necessarily receive a hard copy. Unless if ever you want to print it out. Technology has made things easier. You take the PDF, you go to the internet cafe, they print it out for you. You have got your hard copy. You see, you don't need to use the courier guy or whatever you want, or So, okay, let's get to business, guys. It's now, we are approaching December. We're no longer expecting little money. We need money now, because when it's December, we need a lot of money to cover our things, cover whatever we need to cover. There's so much things. As we live as people, we've got so many problems that we need to cover. Some people will be like, why are these guys gambling? We gamble because we need to change our lives. We need money. It's not like we gamble for fun. No, there's no one who can just leave work or on lunchtime you run to the bed and bet. It's not like you like it, but you have got that hope of if I hit that 5 numbers or that 4 numbers, my problems are covered. I think everyone needs a hope. So there's a time whereby you feel like, actually, I want to give up this thing because of what you are losing. Maybe you're not winning your expectations. So it's like, just tell yourself, you know what, I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it, and you're going to make it. You're going to make it. Gambling is like farming. You can plow whatever you plow, and then if it doesn't rain, then you're like, I lost, But if it rains, then it's a boom. So guys, don't take it personally or play by heart. No. Just play by what, let me play. And I'm going to do it. I think I've got knowledge. Okay, cool. I'm just going to make a recap of yesterday's draw, and then we going to do today's draw. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Is a powerful strategy, guys. Some of you know this strategy. Those who have got my books, it's 87 strategy. This one is a damaging strategy. It doesn't change. It's always like that. Doesn't matter it's Betway or it's UK Foot9, but it works on UK. And you don't have to worry about the presenters as much, because the presenters are just there to deceive us. If ever you worry about presenters, you're going to have a problem the whole entire life. Okay, so what they do, these guys, you see these bonuses. For example, now, let's say we are doing lunchtime. You must be careful. You're going to say 12 plus 45 times 87. 87 is the formula for UK Foot9. You're going to get what? If you say 12 plus 45, you're going to get times 87. You're going to get 3927. Why we start with 12? Because we're doing lunch. So if we're doing tea, we're going to say 45 plus 12. But if we're doing lunch, we say 12 plus 45. Just be careful there. So we get 3927, which is 3927. 27. Because we started what? With the lunch. And you just have to be careful with that, because if you lose there, you won't see what you're doing. But if you master that, then you'll be gone. So let me say, when we are doing T, we make sure that we start with 12 plus 45. We put the previous bonus T time 45 at the bottom. Then if we are doing lunch, we will use the 12. I hope you guys are catching up, because you see now, if you have got 3, 9, 27, we already have two numbers, which is 27 and what? And 37, which came here, 37, 27, as you can see. And then you've got a 32 again. It's a 3 number straight with just one code. And then when you're done, you have to add up everything, like 3 plus 9, it's 12. 12 plus 2, that should be 14. 14 plus 7, you get a 21, which came here. So this code gave us 4 numbers correct on tea time. I just wanted to show you this, because this is how you're going to imagine, guys. If you break this code this way, the way I showed you, and then you get that 4 numbers, you now play around, spins, split them, you will get a 4 number on UK Fortnite. Proper 4 numbers. Then you take your 20 rand, you play each 4 numbers with 5 rand, because you need money. You boom, then you get 25k, or you boom 2 lines, you've got 50k. It's something else. You can change your life. Okay, I just wanted to show you how this thing it works. So guys, you know, that's why I'm always saying it's important to have a book, because now you've got the knowledge. Okay, if I use that 87 and use those bonuses, I can get a code that can give me 4 numbers. Definitely, I'm sure some of you can hit this. Okay, so let me jump over to today's draw without wasting time. So we're going to say 22 plus 46 times 87. 22 plus 46 times 87. We're going to get 40, 24. So today our bankers is 24, 40, and 40, and 20, and 44. I'm just taking what I see in the code. You see. So obviously on these 4 numbers, you can decide, maybe put 2 on the 20 and make 42 on the 24. You know, if you have got, let me say, you create 5 singles or 6 singles, you go to the pairing app, which is called 49s. It's got something which is called a trim wheel. You go there, you put them, and then you check those 4 numbers there. On the trim wheel, you can select, and then you say maybe 4 numbers. It will give you maybe 10 lines. You can even sacrifice 50 rand. You know that, okay, let me take my lunchtime's money and maybe eat bread and take that 50 rand there. Trust me, after work, you're going to be very impressed. It's all about, guys, listen carefully when we talk as predators. Listen carefully and follow. If you don't understand, it's always, there's a link there. If the first comment, I put the link. That link, you push it, you come to me and say, Coach, I need this book. Definitely you get the book. And then you compare with the videos. I'm telling you, you won't go wrong. You will make it. So it was just, I want to prove to you guys 40-24 today. That's the first code. And then we go to the second code. Now we vice versa these bonuses now. We say 46, sorry, this pencil is giving me a problem. We say 46 plus 22 times 87. It's going to give us a different code, which is 1960. 1960. So now you know that there are some numbers that are going to repeat. 19 is coming, 16 is going to come back again, and the 10 is coming as well. Or they're going to split and say 196. You see, with these codes that I've given you, I'm telling you, you're going to make it today. There's nothing that someone won't be able to win. That's how it goes, guys. So our today's code is 40, 24, and then it's 1910. These are the codes for today. So guys, for no more information, if you want to buy the book, because I'm always upgrading my books as much as they do upgrade their system. Because if you check UK Fortnite's algorithm, it's totally changed now. It has totally changed, but they're still giving us the same numbers that we know, but in a different way. So as predators, let me say, as myself, I always chase the strategy and always make sure that I catch it up. So guys, this is what it is. Remember, I've got a book from 100 rand, 200 and 300. My books are affordable. So it depends on which one do you want. And I also have got Ghost Lotto and other draws, but most cases I'm always pushing UK Fortnite. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Please revise and make sure that you come and get the books.